Now, most of us get involved with digital marketing to make money. Of course, there are other reasons, but those reasons are usually a result of having more money. So, for example, freedom, better life, being able to help your friends and family, causes that you support, all this kind of thing. This is all a result of having more money. So the bottom line is that it's about making money. So I thought it was important just to touch on this now before we proceed with the course. Now, naturally, we go into all these things in much more detail later on in the course, but let's just have a quick look. You have the option of being an affiliate or of selling your own products or services. So as an affiliate, you could be selling digital products, and we have many digital product affiliate networks. For example, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, Rakuten, and there are many more as well. But as an affiliate, of course, you can also make money promoting tangible products. So for example, as an Amazon associate, as an affiliate for Market Health, or ShareASale, or CJ. And once again, we're covering all this later on. Now, as an affiliate, you can also get involved with what's known as CPA networks or cost per acquisition networks. We're going to be going into detail about this later, and we are going to be covering some of the best CPA networks like Peerfly, AffiliX, Nutrist, Global Wide Media. The other option, of course, is your own products and services, and there are many different ways to do this. This could be your own e-commerce store. You could be marketing your listings on Amazon or Etsy or eBay. You might be an author, you might be an artist, or you could be a service provider. Now, you may already have your own products or services, and that's fine. But if you don't, that's also fine, because we are going to be covering the different options. So the possibilities are really unlimited, and the opportunities are also unlimited. The only limits in digital marketing are the limits that you impose on yourself. Okay, I'll see you in a minute.